even giant.
Do you really need to get scaling and root planning done to your teeth? Hey guys, I'm Daily Smile, and today let's talk about scaling and root planning. Abbreviation will be SRP. It's a procedure that is done by a dentist or a hygienist who will use a special tools to remove these dental calculus off your teeth. Speaking of calculus, have you guys heard of the word calculus? Because it goes by another name called tartar. I say it deep enough, it kind of sounds like an evil villain. This villain is like rocks that grows on your teeth that has evolved from a dental plaque. You know, like when you eat food and these food particles gets mixed up with your saliva, and then these mixture forms a thin layer that coats around the teeth. That thin layer is what we call plaque. Now, these thin layer that is coated around your teeth are what we remove by brushing and flossing and also rinsing. But however, if you don't get these plaques removed from your teeth, these plaques will slowly become hardened and evolve into the evil villain as we know, tartar or calculus. You will see most of these rocks by the gingival area on your tooth because our tongue and our lips does a pretty good job removing some of the plaques off our teeth. So, you know when you talk or when you open your mouth, your lips and your tongue are constantly scraping the surfaces of the tooth. So they do a pretty good job in terms of removing these plaques off just naturally. But it has a hard time removing the areas by the gum. So that's where we come in with our trusty toothbrush and floss and of course mouthwash to remove these plaques so that they don't become hardened. Because these calculus are very hard to remove with just our regular toothbrush or floss because they're like stuck to our tooth like a gorilla glue. And you need a special tool like a manual scaler or ultrasonic scaler. It's highly recommended that you get rid of these tartar because if you don't, they will continue to grow and then it will cause problem. These tartar will push your gums away from where the tartar is located, and then your gums will start to become lower and lower. It will recede away from your tooth. You will see that your gum is moving down, but what is actually happening is that the gum is just the cover. The real problem is inside the gum where our bone is located. These bones are supporting our teeth, actually moving down as these tartar grows bigger and bigger. Now, can you imagine what would happen if the bone that is supporting your teeth were to just disappear?
I mean, yeah, that's good and all, but what if I brush and floss really good, like real good? Do I really need to get scaling and root planning done?
Ideally, no. That is if in an ideal situation when you're actually cleaning 100% of your tooth, 100% of your oral cavity. But in reality, cleaning 100% is quite impossible to do. You're going to miss some spots from brushing and flossing because some areas you may not be able to reach with those tools. So since you can't reach these small areas, the plaques will slowly grow and evolve into tartar or calculus. So ultimately, even if you were to take really good care of your teeth, I will still highly recommend that you go see a dentist or a hygienist once a year. That is if you really don't want to go see the dentist. But as a worldwide recommendation is that you go see a dentist every 6 months, which is twice a year, meaning that while you're getting your checkup, you can get your cleaning and scaling and root planning done during that time. Scaling and root planning is mostly covered by the insurance. If not, or if you don't have insurance, then it still is a very affordable treatment that you can get to avoid much expensive dental treatment in the future. So, hope you liked the video. Like and sub if you want to see more. And until next time, bye bye.